Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today I'm going to take you to a couple cool, fun explorations to help you finish your fun game so that we can share the cool things you created with the rest of the class. So, let's get crackin'! Number one, of course, I need you to double click on MT Tools. When that appears, remember we always go to today's date, and then you need to look for the current date. This year it is 4/30/2019. Every year, of course, that changes. The first thing I'd like you to see is Spawnball. Spawnball is an amazing two-person game. One of you uses AWSD, the other uses the arrow keys. You are trying to tap the red ball in the middle, and when you do, it spawns a ball that blocks the other ball. When you got the other person's ball totally trapped so they can't move, you are the winner. Real quickly, let me show you what it looks like. Here I am moving the arrow keys, and notice it spawns that gray ball that blocks the black one. ASWD, I'm going to move up and I'm going to show you a cool strategy. If you can get the ball tapped in the corner, you can make so many that you really quickly trap your opponent. You can smack them around and have a total blast while you're doing it. When you're done with a couple of good battles of Spawnball, I need you to check out the amazing claw. The claw is a wonderful contraption that was built by one of my 7th or 8th graders. I'm not sure what I was teaching back then. And to start it, you need to right click and get so this part of your screen is available. When you hit play, let's start by learning how to move it. I'm going to show you that with the ASWD, you can drive these little cars. I'm going to move across a little bit so that the green one is dropping in this bin. And then when you do the S, it opens the bin and drops them so they sort. This one, it shoots them up and they land in the cannon's launcher. You're going to have to find the keys to control the cannon, but I am going to tell you that it is controllable. You can check out the amazing mechanism that was built to stop the balls from coming in and then launch the balls out. And then let's zoom out here and check out this amazing contraption. This keeps the balls moving. You can see that it sorts them. And then this is a special elevator that actually lifts them back up so that it keeps going. You just need to get enough in there so that it's moving. That'll control this, and then eventually it'll move down here to the amazing counter that every time these go through, it changes another number. And let's move back to perhaps the highlight of the whole project. This crane is controlled with the arrow keys. There's the left and right. And then when you move down, you can use the page up and page down to grab the objects. And then lift them up and move them over. And then finally, they will either fall out on their own or you can drop them. I forgot to drive the cart back, so now they're not going to sort. And I crashed it and wrecked it. I'm going to let you finish exploring this. I'll make sure that when I put it in the save directory for you guys to play with it, it has the balls on both sides so that you can sort, track down, and figure out just all the cool things that were put in to this contraption. Most of all, though, I'm hoping that this gives you ideas on how to complete and finish the game that you started creating so that we end up with something epic that we can share with the rest of the class as well. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.